We are outside the station.
Yes.
Let's take a look at myself. There's a painting or a sculpture. Well, it's not exactly a painting.
No, I'm not painting.
No. Yeah.
It's about the very famous Yamagata. I will talk about this Yamagata later. Okay? So, very compact.
Yeah.
And people say it's livable city.
Highly livable, habitable. Yeah.
I would like to explain this one.
World Cup.
This one that I showed, I already explained.
Kinyin.
Two farmers found this one on the Chicano Island, middle of 18th century.
And they earned an exorbitant amount of fortune.
And then it says "kan no na no wa no kuni" means that I will give this one to the ruler of this area.
Supposedly, it came from the Han Dynasty in China.
Han.
I've heard of that once.
2,000 years. About this, it's mentioned in the Chinese records 2,000 years ago. That's why we know this Hakata Park has been serving as a
Awesome. I suppose that hotel should be 5 stars, considering its size and decorations and yeah, it is. It has to be a 5-star one, right? Or 4-star?
4-star.
Just 4-star.
In Fukuoka, there's no 5-star.
No 5-star in Fukuoka. Really?
Yeah.
So the one I'm currently staying at is called
Which one?
WBF Hotel Nakasu Fukuoka.
Oh.
Yeah. Hi. That should be a 3-star one. Yeah. But that's good enough for me.
Excuse me, will you please stop that?
Okamura. The upstairs. Yeah. Oh yes, a little bit.
Yes.
Just vaguely.
This one, I will tell when we visit the Shogen Temple. The 12th century, the monks and the monks went to China. The monks went to China to learn the Zen Buddhism. The monks want to
be active, be smart, be creative, be natural. Okay, 素晴らしい. So I just now asked the tour guide about the,緑信号と青信号どう違いますかってガイドから聞きましたね。その色だけの違いはなしだようで、じゃあ後でもっと撮影します。前進進め。全速前進。
Now we are heading to the region. One is Shinto and one is the Buddhism. Shinto is indigenous religion. People believe that God lives in any subject like the mountain, ponds, rock, and trees. So the olden times people respect the nature. because Japan was an agricultural country, so
自然を尊重
Yeah.
尊重し
yeah,
その
people respect the natural phenomena.
うんふん
So they respect the like
神様
yes
神々
yeah, deity, yes. And it is said that there are 8 million deities, gods.